Hello students, today we learn about Python. So Python programming language was developed by Guido van Rossum in February 1991. So Python programming was developed by this scientist Guido van Rossum in February 1991. So Python is based on or influenced with two programming language. So first language was ABC language, a teaching language created as a replacement of basic language, and Modula 3. So these two languages influenced the Python. So Python is an easy to learn yet powerful object oriented programming language. It is very high level programming language yet as powerful as many other middle level not so high level language like C, C++ and Java. So Python is today is very popular because it supports object oriented languages and very high level language also. So what are the advantages of Python? So our first advantage of Python is easy to use. Python is a compact and very easy to use object oriented language with very simple syntax rule. So it is a very high level language and thus very programmer friendly. So Python syntax is very easy and we can easily write the program. Expressive language, second advantage of Python is expressive language. So Python expressiveness means it is more capable to expressing the code's purpose than many other languages. Reason being fewer lines of code, simpler syntax. So Python code is very less according to other programming languages. Our third advantage of Python is interpreted language. So Python is an interpreted language, not a compiled languages. It means that the Python installation interprets and executes the code by line at a time. So already we in previous videos we discussed what is compiled and what is interpreted. So Python install and interprets and execute the code line by line at a time. It makes Python an easy to debug language and thus suitable for beginners to advanced user. So debug means checking program line by line is known as debug. So Python an easy debug language and thus suitable for beginners to advanced users. Our fourth advantage is its completeness. When we install Python, we get everything we need to do real work. We do not need to download and install additional libraries. All types of required functionality is available through the various modules of Python standard library. So when we download and install the Python, so we will get everything what we need to do a real work. No need for extra libraries or extra additional applications for Python. Our fifth advantage is cross-platform languages. So Python can run equally well variety of platforms like Windows, Linux, Macintosh and smartphones. So Python is portable languages. So once we create an application in Windows, then it can easily execute on the other devices like smartphones or computer which has Linux operating system or Macintosh operating system. So Python is a fully cross-platform languages. It can easily run on other platforms. Sixth is free and open source. So Python language is freely available without any cost and its source code is also free available. So it is also known as open source language. So Python is free available. We can download Python from the Python website and easily install and we can convert our code as per our requirement. So it is an open source software. Variety of uses or application. Python has evolved into a powerful, complete and useful language over these years. So these days Python is being used in many diverse fields, applications, some of which are like scripting, web application, GUI programs, game development, database application. In these fields Python is going very easy use. So these are the 7 advantages of the Python. So every language has advantages and disadvantages. So what are the Python disadvantages? So not the fastest language. So Python is an interpreted language, not a fully compiled one. So it convert code by line. So execution time are not that fast compared to some compiled language. Second disadvantage is lesser library than C, Java or other Perl language. Python offers library support for almost all computing programs, but its library is still not competent with language like C, Java, Perl, as they have larger collection available. So comparing to C, Java, Python has less library, so it is a disadvantage of Python. Not strong on type binding. So Python interpreter is not very strong on catching type mismatch issue. Like if we declare a variable integer, then after some time in the same variable we can store string value. So it is not strong on the type binding. And our fourth disadvantage is not easily convertible. Because of its lack of syntax, Python is an easy language to program in, but not easy to convert into other programming language. So today we learned about Python, what are the advantages of the Python and what are the disadvantages of the Python.